In the categories page, you can add as many categories as you need to your call, and optionally you can add subcategories for each of those primary categories. To create a category, you simply add the new category button, give your category a name, something like fine art, an abbreviation I'll just use as F, and a category description. Simply press the add category button and that will add the category inside of your categories. Now the abbreviation is actually important and it can be a maximum of 3 characters long. This abbreviation is used in the submission receipts that are automatically generated that your users can print. And it's a concatenation of the ID and the abbreviation of the category. So for example, the ID for this particular category would be F250 if it was submission ID 250. Now, subcategories are very similar to categories, except when you add a new subcategory, you have to choose which category it belongs to. So you'll first add your main categories, then you'll add your subcategories. I'm going to log in here as a user to show you what this looks like from the user's end when they go to add a new submission. So I'll just add log into any old account here, and I'll say add new application. And you can see first step they'll do is they'll choose a main category. So I'll choose fine art, and automatically the media or subcategory, this has a new name now, it's called subcategory, this is automatically populated with only the subcategories that belong to this parent category. If you switch this, it will change this to the subcategories that belong to its parent category. So the user can easily choose their main category and subcategory. You don't have to have subcategories. If you delete all of the existing subcategories, the user will only select a main parent category. Just to show you how those receipts work, lastly, I'll come down here to the submissions page, and you can see that when the user comes in to print a specific submission receipt, I'll click the print button right here so you can see this. Notice it says F1. So this is the submission category abbreviation, and this is the submission display ID. And that's automatically generated for these. Let's come down to a later one here. So this is ID number. This is display ID 16 right there. So when I print this one, this is I16, meaning I for illustration, 16 for the number. So that's the way that those two abbreviation and display IDs work in conjunction.